This video will demonstrate how to make a payment using the SCDMV online trucking portal. Before you begin, please ensure that your internet browser's pop-up blocker is disabled and be prepared with your credit card or ACH information. Be advised that there will be an additional service fee associated with paying online. On the payment details screen under the payment type, select from the available options. Your options may be different from this video. Scroll down and verify the amount due is correct under fee type. Next, scroll down and under electronic delivery type, select from the options PDF or email. For this video, I'm going to select PDF and then select Proceed. The invoice PDF will pop up in a separate window for you to save or print. Once complete, close the PDF window. Back on the payment verification screen, scroll down and verify again the amount due is correct. Then select Pay Now. However, if you're doing multiple transactions, you would select Add to Enterprise to send the transaction to the card and pay for all the transactions in one payment. But for this video, I will select Pay Now. On the payment screen, there is nothing that needs to be done here. Just verify that all information under payment is correct. Then scroll down and select Electronic Payment. Please note that all online transactions are processed through a secure third-party payment provider, which will include a service fee. A new secured window will open in your browser. You will see the transaction summary in the upper right-hand corner. Under Payment, select the payment type for this video. I am going to select credit/debit card, but if you were paying by e-check, you would select electronic check, and like any other site, complete the customer information and payment information and select Next. You will see the service fee generate under the transaction summary. Then to finish out the transaction, you will enter your card number along with the card's expiration month and expiration year, as well as the security code and the name on the credit card, then select Next. Once all the customer information and the payment information has been filled in, verify and make sure there are no errors and select Submit Payment. You will see a pop-up box saying, "Please wait, your payment is being processed." Please do not close your tab or window and do not use the browser's back button. Now you have successfully made an online payment and your credentials will automatically populate. Now I will show you how to complete an ACH payment, which is a U.S. electronic bank-to-bank transfer processed through the automated clearinghouse network rather than card networks. For this video, I am going to select electronic check. And like any other site, complete the customer information and payment information. There is a small checkbox under the payment type stating to check that box if your payment is funded by a foreign source. To select Next. Now in the customer information section, enter your personal details and make sure every field with an asterisk is completed. Then select Next. Then under payment information, enter the name on the account that will be used to make the payment. Under the Name on Account box, it will give you an option to select if this is a business account. Next, you want to enter the routing and account number. Then select the account type, either checking or savings. Then select Next. Finally, under the payment information, before submitting the payment, read all of the terms and conditions. Use the vertical scroll bar on the right to scroll up and down to see all of the terms and conditions. Then select the checkbox stating, "Yes, I authorize this transaction." Then select Submit Payment. You will see a pop-up box saying, "Please wait, your payment is being processed." Do not close your tab or window, and do not use the browser back button. You have now successfully made a payment using the online trucking portal, and your credentials will automatically populate. Thanks for watching. For more information or other questions, please call SCDMB Motor Carrier Services at 803-896-3870.